Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO K10 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who forgot their password. You can see phone lock, try again in 28 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first turn off your smartphone. Okay, now slide down to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Okay, now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it like this and release. So guys, you can see select language. Now the volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So you can see now here it will send you in recovery mode. So now here select the wipe data and confirm. So you can see wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, and format data. Go to format data and confirm. So guys, here you can see please enter verification code 7324. I get the 7324. Enter it 7324. So you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations during wiping the data. So guys, you can see wiped successfully. Okay, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO K10 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.